Every minute is a shock mount and a plug and a fucking socket and a fan and a filter and a fucking mount shock and all kind of transmission and who transmission and working and who tire and chopper and all kind of mother thing and
How the fuck? Take off this, the sensor, and this fucking hose from here. To go down inside there and deal with that hose. While I come on here and take out this fucking shield. Let's see what leak in there. Pressure. Right, so take out what we had to take out and we going in inside. Right? Take off that hose clamp, pull off that part of the hose, right? That big rip in it. Now, the next part of the hose there, right? But watch this. Watch that. Who the fuck just put on a hose clamp upside down, boy? Huh? Who just do that shit? That's how you just know that factory thing and it never touch. Because what the fuck? I get the next side there. Look at the other end there. Yeah. Oh, what the fuck, dog? How I used to deal with that?
3 hours later.
Right, there's some slight progress there. What you going on in the hole there? Ooh. Yes. Game rotate a little bit, but pressure. I'm trying to wiggle them off, but we barely have wiggle room there. But I have him clamped down and open. So we'll see what we can do.
One eternity later.
A few fucking busted knuckles and some fucking missing skin and thing later. Finally get this bitch out. Fuck why? Come out from the inside. Sha. So yeah, I'll look for this shit. Straight Come on from there. The next side there. Next nipple along there. Yeah, dog. Gotta get that and replace that. So apparently this is I thought this was like a oil cooler, but it's a transmission oil cooler. Yeah. Yeah, so basically after this we went on a path hunt to try and find this hose. Basically spend a whole day messaging, trying posting in groups trying to find this part, the exact part, but no luck. The second day we decided to check some places, and one guy maybe about an hour and a half away said he had it. He was on the way down to check him and decided to just randomly check parts place closer in my area, and yeah, I was lucky enough to get it, but not the same exact thing, but something that could have worked for sure. And the one that I was going for initially was like $100. This one was just $20. So yeah.
Right, so at this point here, what I was doing was I'd already installed the hose and I was just burping any air out of the coolant system. So, yeah.
Proper angle. So you could just go in there easy with the fucking vice grip, pinching and moving. Not like how it was before, but our fucking pinch part was facing fucking down. Yeah. But there's nice sturdy clamps, that's why I end up keeping them. Proper thing. Still fucking booping out some, I don't think I've seen anymore. Doubles.